Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Elaine. Chinese New Year is coming, the year of the horse. For New Year's Eve dinner, fish is always a must-have dish. Why? Because the fish symbolizes abundance. May you have abundance year after year. 年年有余. Today we're going to make a very easy and crispy pan-fried fish with Chinese barbecue seasoning. Let's get started. Here's our seasoning. Let's mix it up. Start with salt, white pepper powder, sugar, sesame seeds, and this is ground coriander, ground cumin, and optional if you don't mind spicy. This is chili powder. And we just give it a mix. So this will be our barbecue seasoning. I have one fish fillet. This is a basa fish. You can use tilapia, cod, or flounder. And just pat dry with paper towels on both sides. Now we're cutting half like this in the middle. Now cut into pieces. Let's cut one more piece. Now let's season our fish. We have the mix seasoning, and also we need the flour. Just sprinkle it like that. Pat down. Now sprinkle flour evenly. Pat down. Now we flip to the next side. Same thing, just sprinkle the barbecue seasoning. Now flour. Now we're ready to cook. We heat up about 2 tablespoons oil over high heat. It's putting our fish. Fry about 2 minutes on one side. After 2 minutes, let's flip to the other side. Wow, smells great. And we can sprinkle some of the seasoning. Cook about another 2 minutes. After about 2 minutes, our fish is done. You can see it's translucent. Smells so good. Cheers to the year of the horse.
Cheers.
To the year,
To
of,
the
the
year
horse.
of the horse.
Crispy, right? Outside, inside
Really
is
great.
still very tender.
Wow, I love the seasoning.
Can dip. I give you some seasoning. You can dip more.
Delicious.
Spicy, little sweet. Wow. Ooh.
It is a little spicy.
With extra dip, right?
Yeah.
Wish you all the best in the year of the horse. Please try to make this. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.